Hi, hello. Good day, my future employer. I am Elvira Imas, 34 years old, and I live in Culase, Antique, Philippines. I don't have a children and I am married. I studied BS nursing course, undergraduate, and also I studied BS HRM course, undergraduate. I worked before as a housemaid and a babysitter from year 2017 to year 2019, and I finished my 2 years contract. I served 9 members, ages 45, 40, teens ages 14, 13, 12, 11, and kids ages 7 years old boy, 5 years old boy, and also 2 years old baby girl. My duties in the morning, I prepare their breakfast, and when their parents and siblings are going to school, and when the baby is still sleeping, I'll do the household chores work like cleaning, washing their clothes, and when the baby is wake up, I'll prepare their milk, showering them, change their diapers, watching TV together with them, play with them, and also work in Doha, Qatar as a housemaid from year 2022 to year 2024, and I finished my 2 years contract. I serve 4 members, 4 adults, ages 65, 60, woman, ages 40 and 38. Also, I am fast learner, trustworthy, and I do the household chores, work like cleaning, cooking, ironing clothes, car washing, marketing. And if you choose me, I promise to finish my contract and serve you as my own family. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Have a nice day.